Hello everyone, my name is Nitin Kumar Singh. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 438. That is, find all anagrams in a string. So we are given two strings S and P. Return an array of all the start indices of P's anagram in S. We will return answer in any order. So we are given two strings S and P. So we have to check if P's anagram exists in S or not. So what are P's anagram? Means what is an anagram? Anagram is a letter. Anagram, you can say a character in any order. If it finds in it, you can return that indices. So you have to return the indices. For example, P having the characters A, B, C. So it can be of any order in S. Means A, B, C. If we shuffle it, we can get order B, C, A, C, A, B. If that in any order we find it, we have to return the indices of the first element where that anagram is starting. For example, this is the ABC. So here we can say CB anagram exists, which is in shuffled order of P. So this is the anagram of P. So it exists in 0th index, and again in 6th index it exists. Where is 6th index? Here is the 6th index. So we have to give the starting index where that anagram is starting. So how will we approach this problem? So from this problem we can see all the letters in the string are in lowercase. So we can use a frequency spike method. So what happens? We will make a two frequency vector, and first of all we will take the two frequency vector of length 26. So it will starting from 0 to 25, and we will assume A at 0th index, B at 1th index, C at 2 index. And if A exists, then we will increase the 0 index value by 1. If B exists, we will increase the 0 index value by 1. So in this, if anything exists, we can calculate the frequency. Means it will get a spike. So similarly, we'll store the spike of ABC in the frequency array. Then again, we'll iterate through each element of string S. Then it will find the under the condition, which means if window size is under three letters. That is, if P is having three letters, means window size is three. So if under three letters, all the spikes of P are equal to all the spikes of S, means the frequency of P is equal to frequency of S, then we can return the first character, means the left character. So we'll use a sliding window here. We'll use the left pointer to decrease the window size to maintain the window size up to P P string size, and we will use right pointer to increase the window size, and we will use left pointer to decrease the window size. So now let's proceed with the code. So we are given three strings. So first of all, we will get our window length. Window length will be p dot size. Now we will declare a two frequency vector of type integer. We will store frequency of p. It will be of 26 length and initialize with 0. If we found something, then we'll increment it 1. And again a vector of type integer in which we will store the frequency of s. So vector will be of length 26 and initializing all the with 0. So everything is clean here. So first of all, let me count all the letters of P and put it in the frequency of P. So for int I equals 0 and I is less than K, that is our window size, and that is also our P size. I plus plus, okay. is P, frequency of P and P of I minus A increment by 1. P of I means if I means A minus A, that is 0th index is A, so increment by 1. So B minus this is B minus A that is 1 index is symbol B. So we'll increase the first index by 1 if we have found 1 B, so we'll increase the frequency. So just writing window, so we'll set a left pointer here and declare it and then slice it 0. So we will run a for loop for right for representing the window size. So in right equal to 0 and right is less than that is less than f dot size. So if any sub-array if we found under the circumstances if any sub-array of length p if we found in S if the frequency spike of S is equal to frequency spike of P, then we have to return the starting index. Okay, then we're gonna do right plus plus right plus plus. Okay, so we'll store the frequency in frequency of S. Okay, frequency of S it will be S or right minus A. We are storing the frequency here. We are storing the frequency of C, D, A. What happens if it exceeds the page size? Then we have to remove the left element and decrease the window size so that it maintains window size up to ph size. Okay, so we are implementing what happens if we increase window size above with right minus left plus 1 at any time is greater than k. And simply do what you do simply remove the frequency first frequency of s that is of remove the left element in the frequency as well. Then minus a minus minus then move the left pointer ahead, left pointer one step ahead. Everything is good. Left, right minus left plus one is greater than equal. Then move the frequency and move the left pointer ahead. So everything looks good here. At any time, if at any time if we found the both frequency are equal and also if it's following the window size of the ph size, then ph size that we given here as ph size. So we can update our answer variable by pushing back the index of left. If right minus left plus 1 equals k along with if right minus left if right minus left plus 1 equal to k which maintaining the window size that is right minus left plus 1 equals to, we have write frequency. If window size is 3, also frequency is same. Frequency of S equal to frequency of T. Then we can say we can update answer variable. So we have done a mistake, I think. We are increasing, but where we are calculating the sum, bro? There's some point of mistake. Some, no, 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 some. Something why. Okay. Then we'll update the answer variable by what? We'll update the answer variable. Answer dot push back the left starting in left. So everything looks good here, and at last we will return our answer variable. Last we will return our answer variable. So everything looks good. Let's compile the code. Check it short later. We have got a compiler error in time out everything. Answer dot push back left function answer where we declare the answer record. We have not declared the answer till now. Answer will be also a 5 vector vector 5 integer answer. So we're gonna compile the code again. So let's submit. Let's check for all the test cases. So you can see all the test cases are passed. What is the time complexity? It's running till zero, running till all elements, absolutely catching each character at once. So the time complexity is big of n. It's considering the normal previous test. So stress complexity is also big of n. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching this video.